Hi everybody. So here we've got a past exam question on finding the turning point of a quadratic equation. So we've got our quadratic here, and we want to find this turning point. And this is the equation of a quadratic. So when you want to find the turning point of a quadratic, we need to rewrite this using the method of completing the square. And when you complete the square, you need a 1x squared term. So we need to think about this at negative 3x squared. So do you want to try and give this question a go yourself? You can pause the video, and when you come back, you can check you're working with mine. Okay, so welcome back if you had a go. So I'm going to begin by rewriting this. So we've got the negative 3x squared term first. So y will equal negative 3x squared. Then we want the x term, so plus 18x, and then plus the 9. Now to get a 1x squared term, we need to factor out this negative 3. So y will equal negative 3, and then we can multiply this by the x squared. This will give us the negative 3x squared. And then we need to multiply the negative 3 by negative 6x, because the negative 3 times the negative 6x will give us the positive 18x. And then we need to multiply it by negative 3. Negative 3 squared will give us a positive 9. So now we have it with a coefficient of 1x squared. We can rewrite this quadratic in completed the square form. So y will equal minus 3. And then to complete the square of this quadratic, we need to halve this value of negative 6. So we'll get x minus 3 all squared. And when you have x minus 3 squared, and we multiply it by itself, you can see we get a positive 9 term. So what I need to do is take away this positive 9, and then I get back to exactly what we have here. So I'll take away the 9. This is completing the square. And then I need to add back in this negative 3. So we'll take away 3 now. And I'll close that bracket. Now I can tidy up what's in here. So we'll get y will equal negative 3. And then x minus 3 squared. And this becomes negative 12. And I can tidy this up further by expanding out this negative 3. So we'll get y is equal to minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3 squared. And then the negative 3 times the negative 12 will make positive 36. Now just to make this a bit clearer, I'm going to write a positive term first. So y will equal 36 minus 3 lots of x minus 3 squared. So the reason why I've written it in this form is because we want to work at the maximum point here. And what do you think the maximum value of y could possibly be? Well, because we've got 36 take away something, the maximum possible value will be when y equals 36. Because this bit can never be negative. The x minus 3 squared, this term here, can never be negative because we're squaring it. So the lowest that this term could ever be is 0. So you'll have 36 minus 3 lots of 0. So if the y value, the maximum y value is 36, we need to think about what value of x would give us when this is 0. Well, 3 take away 3 will be 0. So y is at its maximum when this is 0, when x is positive 3. So I'll include that in the coordinate. And this is the coordinate of a turning point. Okay? Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you want more practice on turning points with completing the square, you can download the lessons and worksheets from my website mrmathematics.com. I'll leave a link in the description below.